How to add YouTube app on desktop screen on laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will see how we can add YouTube application on your desktop screen in your laptop. So without further delay, let's move. So first of all, you have to open up YouTube through your browser. So open up your browser and then go to YouTube. Once you have opened up YouTube in your browser, now if you navigate to your top right corner, there is a small download icon. If you hover your mouse over there, it says install YouTube. So click on it. Then again click on install. So once you have installed, it says would you like to pin your YouTube to your taskbar? If yes, click on yes. If no, you can click on no thanks. And with that, you have installed the application in your laptop and you are automatically logged into your account since you're already logged in to YouTube account through your browser. If you close this and if you close your browser, there you can see the YouTube application has been added in your desktop screen in your laptop. So that's how you can add YouTube application in your desktop screen in your laptop. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.